And the more I look at things, I cannot get rid of the feeling that existence is quite weird. And if you think about that for a few minutes, man is a little germ that lives on an unimportant rock ball that revolves about an insignificant star on the outer edges of one of the smaller galaxies. God, what a put down that was. But on the other hand, if you think about that for a few minutes, I am absolutely amazed to discover myself on this rock ball rotating around a spherical fire. It's a very odd situation.
I believe that if we are honest with ourselves, that the most fascinating problem in the world is who am I? What do you mean? What do you feel when you say the word I myself? It is absolutely absurd to say that we came into this world. We didn't. We came out of it. What do you think you are? Each one of us are what you might call symptoms of the state of the universe as a whole. I don't think there can be any more fascinating preoccupation than that, because it's so mysterious, it's so elusive. Who am I?